Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn SUMIF and COUNTIF formula in MS Excel. These formulas can also be added in complex equations within MS Excel for more complex operations for your day-to-day work. Let's begin without wasting much time. So on my screen you can see a simple table with some columns: date, region, salesperson, status, sales. Uh, what if we wanted to know the total sale from a particular city or a particular person or a status? For example, I wanted to calculate the total sum, okay, based on a criteria. So let's do that. um, what I'm going to do is I'll put a criteria here and I will generate a response over here. So whatever criteria, I will select one column as my criteria and corresponding output will be published here. So let's begin with the formula SUMIF. Okay, now what are the parameters we need to provide? We need to provide a range of or array of input data. So here I am providing uh, my input as region or city, we call it. Okay, now criteria, what is my criteria? I will enter it. I haven't entered it yet. Some range, now what all values I am expecting in the output. So I am providing a sum range. Now if I mention Pune, okay, we got some output, good. What if I change it to Mumbai? Okay, Jaipur, let's see what happened. Zero, because there is no value as such. Now this is one criteria. Based on a region, I can add another criteria and another output based on a different uh, column altogether. Let's see how we can do it again. Range, so what is my input range? So for example, now I am looking for uh, sum based on salesperson. So what is the sale a person has done? That is my input criteria. Okay, so what is my range? My range is salesperson. My criteria, I will dynamically add the criteria over here. And what is the sum range? So for example, I wanted to know if the status, okay, um, if it is completed or pending based on person's name, for example. Or let's say we can also consider the sale. Having sale is pretty simple, so let's do that. So what is the sale by Amit? It is 98,000. Rahul, it's 33. Neha, it's 32. So this is criteria, and we have understood SUMIF function in this exercise. The next we are going to do is similar thing but count. Okay, so how to do that? Let's see. So it will help me counting the the values. So let's say this is my range. Okay, and I'll provide a criteria. So what is the criteria? Which means how many times a particular value has appeared. Okay, so I'll provide my criteria over here. So whatever criteria um, I will add here, it will provide me the count. Okay, so for example, I write Pune. So Pune appears 4 times. Mumbai, it appears 2 times. Jaipur, it appears 0 times. So this is more about SUMIF and COUNTIF formulas. I hope you have learned the basics of it, and you can use them in your daily work or any complex operations. You can add these functions and the output can derive a solution for you. Okay, feel free to add your comments, your feedback for any improvement or correction. Thank you.